Yes.
And if you're trying to talk about these businesses that are still using cash only, if you're putting ourselves in their shoes, yeah, maybe the fears are that a customer may reverse the money, a customer may not pay, a customer may or forge payment, such fears. So we still have to look at an SME owner's point of view.
Yes.
So at that point, how do we now build trust and make them also realize that now things are better, things are changing. It doesn't have to be like that, because I know right now Safaricom has something where you have to accept that reversal request, but that's not all for these SME owners.
Yeah. I agree. There's still some people out there trying to, to tell you they've deposited money in your account, and they're banking on the fact that you haven't been able to get all the information. So you're talking before you've verified things. But if you've got a good relationship with your, for instance, your banking or POS provider, you can verify something very quickly. You can verify, was this a genuine payment or not? And can you give me a confirmation this money is in the account? So, and I believe those providers are getting to hear more about these scams. So report, please report. The more the information that's out there, the more there will be efforts to deal with them, to minimize them. Because even the provider of your payment gateway does not want to be reported as having weaknesses, having gaps.
Yeah.
So yes, that fear is there, but work with your provider, POS provider or mobile or your Pochi or whatever provider, and keep on putting questions to them. How secure is the transaction that I've had with this customer? Can you give me assurances? So keep on, like I say, nothing will change if you don't try. If you don't try, and if you don't use the avenues that you have, nothing will change. But when it changes, you have several steps ahead. Several steps ahead. As an entrepreneur, you can't afford to ignore that you need to progress. So, and entrepreneurs are risk takers. They're risk takers. They weigh the risks. They weigh the service providers.
Yeah.
So I would say that's not enough reason not to do anything.
Yeah.
It's not enough reason to do nothing. You've got a business to grow.